The second part of the budget session of Parliament was off to a stormy start today. The Rajya Sabha was adjourned till 11 today after opening, just minutes after opening, after Congress MPs raised slogans demanding a discussion over the rise in fuel prices in the past many weeks. The two houses met amid a scorching assembly poll campaign, continuing farmer protests, and most importantly, spiking petrol, diesel and LPG prices.
Now the petrol prices nearly 100 rupees per litre, and the diesel prices are more than 80 rupees, and LPG also increased. Sir, 21 lakh crores have been collected by putting excess duty.
Okay, Kharge.
And all these things.
I have allowed you.
Sir, because of this, the entire country is suffering. This is very important issue.
Because it's an important issue, I have allowed you to mention it, though you know the rules position. 267 is at the discretion of the chair. I have gone through it. There are enough opportunities, including appropriation bill and other occasions, to discuss it. But still, because you are a senior and also leader of the opposition, you have given a notice. I have just allowed you to mention the subject. You have rightly mentioned the subject, and we leave it there and we move on.
It is very important.
Well, let's go across to NDTV's Himanshu Shekhar for more. And Himanshu, as expected, the Congress trying to target the government over rising fuel prices, leading to that uproar. Take us through the developments.
Well, the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, had given a notice seeking suspension of the scheduled proceedings of Rajya Sabha, and he had said in his notice that since the petrol and diesel prices have reached unprecedented levels in the country, people are suffering, people are getting tense, and while government, of course, is collecting a lot of money through the excise duty that is imposed on petroleum products, the Congress had actually demanded that there should be immediate debate be initiated in Rajya Sabha, but Chairman Venkaiah Naidu did not agree. He said that I have the discretion whether to allow the notice or not, but I have decided that at the moment it would be better that the House proceedings are not stalled, and Congress leaders and any MP will always have the opportunity to raise these issues during debate on appropriation bill or through the entire part of the budget session, which is a very long session. But opposition MPs did not agree to what Rajya Sabha chairman had said, and they entered the well of the House. They started raising slogans against the government, against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and they demanded that government must tell how much money has been collected by increasing the duties on petroleum products, especially petrol and diesel. And this led to a ruckus in Rajya Sabha, leading to the first suspension of the second part of the budget session, which started today. So clearly, opposition has made it clear that they want government to clarify in Parliament on why the prices of petroleum and diesel have been allowed to reach unprecedented levels. And they also want to know how much money has been collected by the central and the state governments by the imposition of duties on the petroleum products. Kagi.